Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning, positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I got a small haul for y'all today, and let's get right into it. It's from, I think I got this from eBay, this from Ali, and the rest of the stuff came from Michael. So, from eBay, and I think this was eBay, I got these replacement plates for this little guy right here. I bought this for my grandkids years and years and years ago. As a matter of fact, this was the last one in Michael's. I had a 50% off coupon because I think then it was $25, and I had a 50% off coupon, so I ran and got it, and I didn't see any more of these after that. So this is a Cuddle Kid. I still have the original plates, but I know I'm going to need some more plates. So that's why I went and purchased these plates right here. An A plate and a B plate. This B plate is not as thick as the original. No, that's the A plate. This plate is not as thick as the original plate. And I can't put my hands on it right now. But it still cuts, but not as good. As you can see, I attempted to cut. Let me see. You can kind of see the impression there. And this is the die, come here, that I was trying to cut out. But I had to use a shim. So that, and just in case for y'all who don't know what a shim is, for me, a shim is I just took a piece of paper, like a regular piece of cardstock paper, and folded it up in half to give a little bit more, I guess when I put it, it will give it a little bit more pressure to get the image right. And even with the shim, it didn't quite punch out all the way. But I'm going to figure it out how I can get this to work like I need to. I may have to create another, get another, like this thing, this green thing down here, that thing. I may have to get, or take this one and cut it up into a size, about the same size as this, and use it as a shim just to give it a little extra oomph so it can cut out these small dies like this. But that's the main reason why I use this, and I love it actually. That way I don't have to pull out my Cuddle Book or my Vintage to cut these little small ones. I just pull that little sucker out and keep it moving. I don't remember if I showed you guys this one. I may have. And I was actually about to get upset because I thought I had lost it. But I did find it and I had put it away. But I got this one a couple of days ago. And this is the Swans that everybody was getting to go with this bag topper die. Or with the bag topper. And it fits right in there. Just like that. So I wanted that, and I went on and picked it up, and it wasn't that expensive. They're on Aliexpress, so you know they're not that expensive. And I don't remember if I showed you guys this box die or not, and it cuts out a window on the top. And I will be making some projects out of these shortly, as soon as I'm feeling more, I'm going to say more better. As soon as I feel better than what I do now. I have been fighting with this sinus infection, guys. It is not playing with me. I don't know what the deal is, but right now it's actually hating me. And those were the things from eBay and AliExpress. This was the little small stuff that I got from Michael's. And the first thing is this iris case. I always try and pick up at least one, especially when they're on sale. Excuse me. So I can continue to try to stay as organized as possible. If y'all saw my room, you'd be like, sister, what kind of organization you doing? I gotta clean. I can't even show it to y'all. It's embarrassing. But anyway, I got these things. These were $1 a piece, and I got these for my grandbabies. It's 5 of them were here. Well, no, it was 6 of them was here, but the oldest is, how old is Trevante? I think Trey may be 13. And, you know, he's too big to play with bubbles. So I just kept this one out and gave the rest of them they bubbles. And they were having a good time. So I just got to probably get some more. And then hopefully make them keep up with the thing. And go to Dollar Tree and get the big container or bubble mix, and then they can go out and keep going. Let's see. Oh, and I got these flowers. I was with my diva, and she went to that section with the $1.50 section or the $2 section, and she spotted these flowers, and then there I go, start picking up flowers. So I got these two white ones, this pink pear, and this blue pear right here. I also picked up these jump rings, and these are for the notepad holders that's with the purse. And I showed y'all this chain that I got last time I was out, and so I got the jump rings to go with it, but I could not find any gold eyelets. So I got to find the gold eyelets, and when I find the gold eyelets, I'm going to start on those notepad holders. I got these things. These were 70% off. And I had always wanted, you know, this particular little setup right here, because I was wondering, where did people get these from, the little angel beads? So I can make some little dangles to go on my traveler's notebooks. And I also got these that look like dragonflies. Like I said, these were 70% off. And what is the price on these? Is there a price that I can see? I know I had the receipt was in here. I don't know what I did with it, but it couldn't have been no more than like $1 and some change. And the last two things I got, which I'm super excited about, are these metal disc. I wish that this rose gold one was the size of this one, but I'm still happy with the rose gold. I needed these expander discs already because my happy planner, I have the big happy planner, and it's already filling up. And I don't think I even put that much in there, but I need these. Let me see if I can get this one open. And I'm going to have to find a jar, because I see people keep theirs in jars. And I've broken one of my other discs, one of the plastic ones that are original to the planner. I've broken one of the discs on my next planner. So I needed to get these because it is a black and gold planner. And this one right here is just gorgeous. It's rose gold. I'm trying to think, is my thing rose gold? I don't think it's rose gold now. But I'm going to be getting a rose gold planner cover, or either creating my own, one of the two. And these are just the standard size discs for the large happy planner, or I guess the classic happy planner. It says classic metal disc, and this one is expandable metal disc. So I guess they're really the same thing. It's just that one uses more discs than the other. But I like these anyway. And I still have plans for some of the other discs on the plastic ones. Okay, so I think that's it for right now, guys. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime when I see you all at my next video. Bye-bye, love bugs, and hopefully I'll be feeling a whole lot better.